What did Ira bring us? Ooh. Type S. Type S? Type S. Yeah. Pretty straight. She's used. Used, not abused. You can tell. Oh, it's got a little backup camera. Yeah, I think the 0506 is the year that you want. Nice. RSX. You got your sunroof.
I know. I know. I want to see what's under there.
Yeah. Sorry, not gonna happen. Oh, he got it. Thank God. There you go. And then there's the high lift point here.
Yeah.
Remember your Integra had that.
Oh yeah. But this is so much nicer.
Well, K series, right? K20.
K20, yeah.
Dual iVTEC. A couple hundred horsepower. That's good. I mean, more power than the.
Definitely more.
More power than the Civic.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is just upgrade.
Yeah. But I like it's all stock. You know, easy to work on, easy to learn on.
It seems less complicated than what's in the Civic.
It is, because there's so much less like emissions type stuff going on in here. Oh, good. It's got a an all-season tray there for hauling stuff to the post office.
Post office need that.
Yeah, big time. Oh,
That like slowing down.
yeah, got to fix that thing. Oh, and this one over here is missing. And then, you know, for extra cargo, you can fold the seats down. But then concealed with the cargo cover here.
Yeah. Good design for that.
Neat, huh? I think it's a cool opportunity. Oh, got a little dents here. It's got some minor little issues. You can see the little
That just means
rock
it's-
chips down here.
It's loved. It's
Yep.
a loved car. It's loved. Oh, I'm so happy right now. You don't even know.
I think this is a good direction to go in.
I agree. Ooh, it's nice in here.
It's like Integra familiar.
Yeah, it's really similar.
Wow, you redoing the seats makes like the interior is nice.
Seats are nice.
Yeah.
I'll hop in. Oh yeah. Okay.
Just go this way.
Oh, the shifting is butter. It's a really short throw.
Oh, nice. Revs up pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah.
You even short shifted it.
Yeah.
So it's quick.
It's very quick. This is much quicker than the Civic. This feels amazing.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Does this have a genuine performance exhaust, or is it stock?
No, stock.
Oh, wow.
It's all stock.
This,
He said it was all stock except for the shocks, which were Koni's.
yeah, Koni yellows.
This is a good size for you too. You look like you fit in here really well.
I feel like I've got headroom.
You do have headroom. I mean, you're not the tallest dude, but how tall are you?
I'm like almost 6 foot.
Yeah. So you're not the tallest guy, but
I mean, in the Civic, I'll smack my head every now and then.
it's firm enough.
Yeah.
Doesn't need coilovers, maybe just springs with these shocks.
Well, we could hook it up with some Tains, right?
Yeah, I got that. I have a set of S-Techs, but it's for the 02 to 04, so we got to find out what's different.
Oh wait, so what year is this?
This is an 06. This is the last year of this car.
Oh, so I have the more refined horsepower version?
Well, what they did was, he mentioned it has a little bump in power, but what happened was the EPA changed the way that they calculated horsepower on vehicles. So yeah, around like 2006, I think it was, 2006, 2007, whatever it was, the manufacturers were able to test the cars and provide a power rating, but without any accessories like air conditioning or power steering or whatever.
Oh.
Well, once you put air conditioning and power steering on, the power rating goes down, right?
Oh.
So what they did was they added a little horsepower to the cars to bring the power rating back up again to what it was before.
So when they added the AC and the other stuff, it didn't go down too much.
Yeah, exactly. So like they did the same thing with the TSX. In 05, they had 200 horsepower, but then in 06, they had 200 horsepower, but it was with a different manifold, different exhaust, different camshaft. Like they changed a bunch of stuff to maintain the 200 horsepower figure because the way that they measured the horsepower rating changed.
I see.
Yeah. See how the backup camera works.
Oh,
It's pretty nice.
That's a good backup.
Pretty
camera.
nice picture there.
And I can finally do that again.
Oh yeah, electronic key brake sucks, huh?
Yeah. I'd like to thank Ira and my dad.
Thank heel toe.
Thank Heel Toe. Buy your stuff, man. They're really cool. Oh, it still looks so good. Oh, man.
Well, I guess we missed Ira. He had to run. Mom had to take him to see his friend or whatever they're doing. I don't know what they're doing in Hillsboro there, but yep. So anyway, here it is. We signed it over to us, and we've got an RSX Type S in the family now. This is pretty cool. I've never had an Integra Type S, or I'm sorry, Integra RSX Type S. I test drove one in 02 when they came out. I was all itching to buy a new car in 2001, 2002. I wanted to buy a GC8 WRX, the non-turbo WRX. I had one that was all ready to buy it and everything, and then I just didn't end up buying it. And then the 02 WRX came out with the turbo in it and stuff, and I was like, oh, that thing's pretty cool too, but I like the style of the old one better. And then there was this Integra in 01 at the Acura dealer down the road, one of the last Integras they had. It was a GS, and it was that red color that was like a
yeah.
burgundy red color.
That was
And I just remember in my mind's eye seeing a Mission Viejo Acura, and I didn't buy that either. And then I test drove an RSX Type S, and that was really fun, and I really thought that was cool. And I didn't buy that car either. I made a lot of wiser don't buy that car choices when I was younger. I think I was about, let's see, 20, 24, 25. I just saved my money and kept working on my business, and now I get the Integra Type S. So many years later, 22 years later. So anyway, this guy is super mega excited about it, and it's been hard to kind of like temper a little bit. Dude, we got to work. It's work, car after, right? But here we are. We just finished shipping a bunch of CT intakes.
CT intakes.
Tomorrow is Black Friday, so I'm getting tomorrow is Thanksgiving when I send out my Black Friday deals. So I'm getting my email ready this evening, and then this guy I think is just going to be drooling over this car all night long.
Yeah, probably.
So more content to come about this. We were talking about what we're going to do with this car, and I think that we're probably going to do, just sort of some, playing around. There's not going to be like a specific like project build. We're going to get parts, we're going to try them out, we're going to see how they work, see how they install, and have fun working on it together and sharing that with you. So just another addition to what we're doing here at Heel Toe. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more RSX content. We have an RSX playlist that you can check out, and we'll post anything we do to this car in that playlist. All right, have a great evening. Thanks for watching.